Let's start by taking a look at the problem. Alcohol and drug abuse disorders, along with mental health and suicide rates, have skyrocketed in the United States. COVID has exacerbated the problem. The window to help someone when they're willing to accept help is narrow. Finding the appropriate level of care that also accepts their insurance is difficult even for those in the rehabilitation industry. The cost to our nation is enormous. People are dying at unacceptable rates. According to the CDC, 46,000 people died from suicide in 2021. Excessive alcohol use is responsible for more than 140,000 deaths in the United States each year. The total number of overdose deaths for the 12 months ending December 2021 were 107,622. The cost to our nation is enormous. Addiction costs our nation $740 billion annually in lost work productivity, detention costs, and medical expenses. Let's put this into perspective. The total number of drug, alcohol, and suicide deaths total 293,622 each year. That's 804 deaths each day. The Boeing 747 has the capacity to accommodate 416 passengers in a 3-class configuration. Let this sink in for a moment. Every day, almost 2 747s full of people die in the U.S. from drug overdose, alcohol, and suicide. Imagine seeing that on the news every day. 2 more planes every week, every month, all year long. We could not just sit around and look at the problem. We had to take action. This is why we created USARehabCenters.org. USA Rehab Centers believes that recovery should not be the privilege of a few, but accessible to all. Our goal is to make our community, our country, and our world a better place for all, by making rehabilitation easily accessible to those seeking it. At USA Rehab Centers, we developed the first of its type resource directory that allows an individual, their loved ones, and first responders, case managers, and discharge nurses to help connect someone in need to the resources that match their specific needs. USA Rehab Centers is currently developing the first of its kind web application for first responders. The USA Rehab Centers web application will benefit anyone that may frequently be in the vicinity of someone suffering from drug and alcohol abuse disorders, mental health disorders, or physical injury. The web application will provide a much-needed tool that will aid them in guiding someone to the appropriate level of care they need. Join us in our effort in connecting the right service to the people in need. Thank you.